Hi, my name is Bilkin.
It's me.
Oh, yeah. This is Bilkin. I'm David Foster.
I'm Lauren Allred.
I'm People Bryson.
I think I've been here maybe 6, 7, 8 times. Yeah, and I love every time.
You?
Second time
How many times have you been to Thailand? I'm so lucky because I have great artists like this to help me with my music and promote their music as well. And it just takes the pressure off because I don't think anybody wants to just see me up there by myself because I don't sing. So to have great singers with me is always fun. And there'll be surprises for sure. Can't tell you what, but there'll be some surprises.
จริงเหมือนเป็นความฝันเลยเพราะว่าจริงๆแล้วคุณเดวิดเนี่ยก็มีเพลงหลายๆเพลงที่เรารู้สึกว่าเราไม่ได้แค่ชอบแต่ว่าเรารู้สึกว่าเรารักมันแล้วมันเป็นดนตรีที่มันสร้างอินสปิเรชันให้กับเราในฐานะของศิลปินที่เราจะทำงานดีใจมากแบบที่ได้มาแบบนั่งอยู่ตรงนี้กับคุณเดวิดแล้วก็ศิลปินที่แบบเราติดตามงานเขามาแบบแสนนานอะไรครับ
I mean, I've toured with David in the past, but this is my first time being able to perform with Bebo and our very first time meeting, so I can't wait to share the stage with everyone.
Right. The same, I've worked with David before, but this is very special because I don't know Bill and no Lauren, and we get a chance to work together.
We have so much firepower on stage. You know what firepower is like?
Yes.
Between the youth and these beautiful voices, Legend Peebo, Michael Bolton, who's a legend, my wife Catherine, who sadly is flying right now to come. But it's a lot of firepower, a lot of great singers, and I think that nobody's going to be disappointed. By the way, I just realized we talked about the song you did with Kenny G.
Right.
I produced that song.
I know.
I forgot. I forgot. God, I thought, because I loved it. I loved that song.
By the time this night is over, stars are gonna shine to lovers in love. And when the morning comes, it's gonna find us together. And our love has just begun.
All right, that's Peebo Bryson.
Beautiful.
Hey. No. And this is our crew right here. And on behalf of everyone, I'd like to wish Nine Entertain a very, very happy 21st anniversary. We love you. We want to see another 21 years for sure.